Diwrnod diddorol. Mynediad. Taith Diwrnod 5. Day 5 Navigation. Heddiw, dych chi'n mynd i Gastell Rhuddlan a Chastell Dinbych. Today you'll be visiting Rhuddlan Castle and Denbigh Castle and its surrounding area. Ewch at Gastell Rhuddlan, LL18 5AD. Day 5 starts at Rhuddlan Castle, which can be seen from the edge of town and is clearly signposted. You might need to pay to enter the castle if you're not a member of Cadw. Castell Rhuddlan. There is a free car park next to the castle entrance. Explore the castle, and when inside, there is a task to complete here using the times and the future tense. Hanes Castell Rhuddlan. Edward I used Rhuddlan Castle to organise his attack on the northwest Wales. Here there is an exercise to complete looking to the future as Edward plans his attack. Hanes y Mabinogi. Day 5's Mabinogi story is Lludd a Llefelys. Taith gerdded tref Rhuddlan. Outside of the castle there is a sign giving details of a tour around the town. Take pictures of the sign. Walk round the trail visiting Tut Hill, the Friary at Abbey Farm, the Banquet House, Scout Hut Odin, Parliament House, Edward I Town Defences, the Parish Church of St Mary's, the bridge and the ancient quays. Find and take pictures of these 9 places and any others that may help you. You will need these photos for the homework from day 6, where you'll be writing instructions on how to follow this trail. Amser cinio. There are a number of places to have lunch in Rhuddlan, Denbigh or on the road to Denbigh. Gyrwch i Gastell Dinbych, LL16 3NB. Turn out of the castle car park, left onto the main road and go over the bridge. Turn left at the roundabout and head towards St Asaph, and then through onto Denbigh. You might want to stop at the cathedral in St Asaph en route, as this was mentioned on the Pilgrim's Way during day 3, and includes information about the first Bible translated into Welsh. Canol tref Dinbych. When you arrive in Denbigh, drive through the town centre. At the far end of the high street, there are road signs to guide you up to the castle. Maes parcio Castell Dinbych. Park in the Cadw car park next to the castle and walk to the castle entrance. Castell Dinbych. Go to the entrance to the castle. You might need to pay for entry if you're not a member of Cadw. Explore the castle, and when inside the castle there is a task to complete. When you leave the castle, collect a key to be able to gain access to the town walls. Capel Sant Ilar ac Eglwys Leicester. Go to the 2 churches down the hill from the castle and complete the task about their history. Muriau'r dref Dinbych. Turn left and walk towards the Burgess Tower and read the information panels. Muriau'r dref Dinbych. Walk the walls, including Countess Tower and Goblin Tower, and complete the task about the walls. Ewch yn ôl i'r castell. And finally, head back to the castle to return the key. There is a space there for you to sit and write your postcard at the end of the day. Amser mynd adre a gwneud eich gwaith cartre. When you arrive home, complete the final quiz to see how your Welsh has improved and the feedback form about the day. When you have recovered from the day, there is a more open activity for you to do. This activity asks you to use what you have learnt during the day, and you can ask your class tutor to check your work. Llinell amser. All of the different activities have given you an important date. These can now be added to your timeline. Complete all 10 days at the different places to complete your timeline of Welsh history.